In desert lands where sun burns high, a sacred tree breathes deep and sighs. Its bark will weep where winds have passed, in golden tears that fall so fast. Imagine a tree growing in the harsh deserts of Arabia and Africa, its bark wounded, slowly bleeding golden tears. Those tears harden into fragrant crystals, so precious that ancient caravans guarded them like treasure. This is frankincense, the sacred resin once worth more than gold. Kings burned it in temples. Healers used it to soothe pain and inflammation. And across ancient civilizations, its smoke was believed to carry prayers to heaven. But what exactly is frankincense, and why has it been revered for over 5,000 years? Today, we'll uncover the history, sacred legends, and surprising health benefits of this ancient healing resin. The Frankincense Caravan of 1,000 Camels. A short sacred story segment. Long ago, in the blazing silence of the desert, there existed a caravan unlike any other. It was said to carry not gold, not silk, but something far more precious. This was the legendary caravan of incense root, where merchants transported the sacred resin known as frankincense across endless sands. They called it the Caravan of 1,000 Camels. Each camel carried sacks filled with pale golden tears from the desert tree Boswellia sacra, carefully harvested from the cliffs of Arabian Peninsula. From wounded wood, a resin flows, where hidden healing slowly grows, a fragrant gift from earth and time, both sweet and bold, and so sublime. The journey was not easy. The sun burned like fire during the day. The winds whispered like spirits at night, and the desert stretched on without end. But the fragrance they carried was so valuable that kings waited for it, priests prayed for it, and healers depended on it. To protect the caravan, warriors walked at its edges, watching the horizon for raiders who would risk everything for a single pouch of resin. Yet those who led the caravan believed something greater than wealth guided them. They believed the scent itself was sacred, as if the desert was being slowly filled with invisible prayers. Through ancient paths the traders came, to carry forth its holy flame. Across the sand, through dust and stone, it marked the prayers of blood and bone. When the caravan finally reached the great cities of ancient Egypt, ancient Greece, and beyond, the resin was burned in temples. And as the smoke rose into the sky, people said it carried the memory of the long journey itself, the footsteps of 1,000 camels crossing the world in silence. Even today, when frankincense is burned, it is said you are breathing in something ancient, a fragrance that once traveled across kingdoms, deserts, and time itself. The ancient history of frankincense. Frankincense comes from the desert tree Boswellia sacra, which grows mainly in the dry lands of Oman, Somalia, and Yemen. Harvesters gently cut the bark, and the tree releases droplets of resin. These drops harden into pale golden pieces known as tears of frankincense. Thousands of years ago, these fragrant tears traveled along the legendary incense route, carried by camel caravans across deserts and mountains. Cities grew rich from this trade. Empires rose and fought over it. In ancient temples of Egypt, priests burned frankincense during sacred rituals. And according to tradition, frankincense was one of the precious gifts presented to the infant Jesus Christ by the biblical Magi. It symbolized divinity, healing, and spiritual connection. Frankincense in ancient healing. Long before modern medicine, healers across the world recognized the remarkable properties of frankincense. In ancient texts, the Greek physician Hippocrates, often called the father of medicine, wrote about resins and aromatic substances used for healing. Frankincense was used to help with joint pain, digestive problems, wound healing, respiratory illness. Even today, modern research focuses on compounds in frankincense called boswellic acids. These natural compounds have shown powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Health benefits of frankincense. Powerful anti-inflammatory. Frankincense is widely studied for its ability to reduce inflammation in conditions like arthritis. Boswellic acids may help block inflammatory molecules in the body, easing swelling and joint pain. Supports brain health. Some research suggests frankincense may support memory and cognitive function. Frankincense is being studied for anti-inflammatory properties that might be relevant to neurodegenerative diseases, but it is not a treatment or cure yet. Ancient cultures even believed its scent could sharpen the mind and deepen meditation. Immune support. Frankincense contains natural antimicrobial compounds that may help the body defend against harmful microbes. Burning the resin was historically believed to purify the air. Skin healing. Frankincense oil is still used in skincare today. It may help reduce scars, calm irritation, and promote healthy skin regeneration. Why frankincense was considered sacred? To ancient civilizations, frankincense was more than medicine. Its rising aromatic smoke symbolized communication between earth and heaven. When burned, the resin releases a warm, balsamic fragrance, both calming and uplifting. For this reason, frankincense has long been used in prayer, meditation, and sacred ceremonies. Even today, its scent can bring a feeling of peace and clarity. From desert trees to temple altars, from ancient caravans to modern wellness traditions, frankincense has traveled a remarkable journey through human history. A simple resin, yet one that shaped trade routes, spiritual rituals, and healing practices for thousands of years. Perhaps that is why the ancients called it the perfume of the gods. And even today, those golden tears still carry the same timeless fragrance. The myth of Aphrodite's tears and the birth of frankincense. Long ago, when the gods still walked freely among mortals, the radiant goddess Aphrodite ruled over love, beauty, and longing. Wherever she stepped, flowers bloomed and hearts awakened. But even the goddess of love was not untouched by sorrow. One day, Aphrodite watched the world below from the heights of Mount Olympus. She saw lovers separated by war, travelers parted from their families, and hearts aching across distant lands. The goddess felt their sorrow deeply. Love, she knew, was powerful, but it could also wound. As she gazed upon the earth, tears began to fall from her eyes. Each tear carried the pure essence of love, both its joy and its pain. The tears fell far away into the deserts of Arabian Peninsula, where the sands stretched endlessly beneath the blazing sun. Where each tear touched the ground, a small, resilient tree began to grow. These were the first trees of Boswellia sacra. Their bark was pale and twisted, shaped by wind and time, yet inside them flowed a sacred gift. When the bark was gently opened, the trees released drops of fragrant golden resin. These drops looked like hardened tears, just like the tears Aphrodite had shed. Humans later called this precious resin frankincense. Majestic desert tree Boswellia sacra. And when the resin is burned, its smoke still rises upward, as if searching for the goddess who first gave it to the world. When burned, it released a warm, sweet fragrance that filled temples and homes with peace. The rising smoke was said to carry prayers of love into the heavens. And so the ancients believed that every curl of fragrant smoke still carried a memory of Aphrodite's tears, a reminder that love, even when painful, has the power to heal the human heart. To this day, when frankincense burns and its sacred aroma fills the air, the ancient story whispers that it is the fragrance of love itself, gifted by Aphrodite to comfort the world. The desert healer's frankincense breathing remedy. A traditional desert aromatic practice. For thousands of years, desert healers across Arabian Peninsula and the Horn of Africa valued the sacred resin frankincense for supporting clear breathing and calming the chest. The resin comes from the hardy desert tree Boswellia sacra, whose aromatic smoke was believed to cleanse the air and open the lungs. Travelers, shepherds, and healers often used a simple frankincense steam ritual to soothe breathing after long journeys through dusty desert winds. Ingredients: 3 to 5 small pieces of frankincense resin, 2 cups hot water, a bowl, a cloth or towel. Optional additions, sometimes used by desert healers: crushed cardamom, a pinch of thyme. Preparation: heat water until very hot and pour it into a bowl. Add the frankincense resin. Within moments the resin releases its warm, balsamic fragrance. Optional: add crushed cardamom or thyme for additional aromatic vapors. Lean gently over the bowl and cover your head with a towel to capture the steam. Slowly inhale the aromatic vapor for 5 to 7 minutes, breathing deeply and calmly. Traditional beliefs: desert healers believed the aromatic vapors could open the breathing passages, soothe irritated airways, calm the mind and body, restore energy after long desert travel. A sacred moment: many healers encouraged breathing the steam slowly while sitting quietly. They believed frankincense not only supported the lungs but also helped clear the mind for prayer, reflection, and inner peace. In temples old, its smoke would rise, like whispered dreams toward starry skies. A bridge of scent, both calm and deep, where silent hearts could learn to weep. Recipe: sacred honey electuary of frankincense. A healing preparation from the ancient world. In ancient healing traditions, aromatic resins were often mixed with honey to create electuaries, thick medicinal pastes taken in very small amounts for strength and purification. Frankincense resin, from the desert tree Boswellia sacra, was prized in the healing traditions of ancient Greece, Egypt, and Arabia. Honey was considered sacred to the gods and often associated with the healing temples of Asclepius, the god of medicine. Together, raw honey and frankincense created a preparation believed to support digestion, breathing, and spiritual clarity. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon powdered frankincense resin, 3 tablespoons raw honey, a pinch of ground cinnamon, a pinch of ground cardamom. Optional: 1/2 teaspoon olive oil. Preparation: place a small piece of frankincense resin in a mortar and grind it into a fine powder. Add the honey and gently mix until the resin dissolves into the thick golden paste. Stir in cinnamon and cardamom for warmth and aroma. Add a drop of olive oil if you want a smoother texture. The result is a fragrant, sacred honey paste used in very small amounts. Traditional use: ancient healers recommended taking a pea-sized amount of the electuary in the morning. It was believed to soothe the throat and lungs, calm digestion, strengthen the body, clear the mind for prayer or meditation. The preparation was often taken before entering temples or sacred rituals. Note: frankincense resin was never used in large quantities internally. In ancient traditions it was considered very powerful, and only small amounts were used. Burning the resin as incense was still the most common use, allowing its fragrance to purify spaces and uplift the spirit. Do you use frankincense as a remedy? Please write in the comments section below. Please watch my next nutritional healing video or nutritional healing video podcast. O resin born of sun and dust, of patient hope and sacred trust, your golden tears still softly start, a timeless balm for soul and heart. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.